took quite a lot of air out of the tires. Because on the last run, it just like snapped fucking backwards straight away. But now obviously there's a bit more grip, so. But I didn't think it would be that much more grip.
Sick. And this thing's quick, man. Holy shit.
Holy fuck, I think it was that wind. Like pushed my head over and
when you move backwards over there, this helmet literally is like a sail, and it's sitting like that on the top of my head.
That was hilarious.
Oh my word.
I'm gonna go in for a second and speak to Ray.
Yeah,
I'm actually battling with understeer as well.
Oh, you know, it's full tilt. That's so good.
What?
He's saying well done.
How does that even happen?
What?
Your back window exploded.
Wait, what?
What? No ways. That happened.
Oh.
We didn't even know. Dang.
Are there brooms anywhere? That sucks.
Jazz was in
Oh my soul, dude.
That's crazy.
Are there brooms?
Yeah, there was a cleaning.
Oh, let me run over there. Yeah, dude, literally just there. Yeah. What the fuck? I wonder if it was cracked or something from a crash, or like.
A spare set of wheels here with street tires on.
Yeah, I've got lang tires. Hi! My car's also very understeery. So like I can't, you know, like how I could flick it normally, I can't get it to like flick.
Dude, I literally can't get the car to rotate unless I clutch it.
Yeah, and then I overcompensate and then I go completely backwards.
How are these tires, by the way?
These are still my Sailuns. You wanna go? Dead tires there.
Yeah.
That'll do it.
Alright, there we go.
Stop acting up.
almost crashed.
Yeah, while going through sand.
No, dude. No, that wasn't me. I went off. I went like, dude, I must have touched.
No, there is a mark.
Yeah, dude.
I see.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
Dude, it was like, I thought I was gonna full on like broad like body slam it.
Yeah.
Hell of a save.
Good save, dude. Oh my word. The last time I was in the car?
I replaced these with manual ones.
Yes.
Yeah. So now they work.
Yeah.
They're not as nice, but they work. Which is better. Although you might argue that I have bigger problems now.
One might say.
Yeah.
Do you guys kind of alternate what you want to practice in terms of direction? Or
We kind of just run this setup most of the time.
okay.
It's the most exciting option with the track.
Yeah.
Like driving the oval is kind of cool for the learners, so I might argue that we should actually start doing that because there's more rookie drivers than sort of seasoned drivers.
Yeah, sure.
But for me, it's like quite boring and it just kills tires.
Okay.
Hi. Oh, I forgot to put my fucking hoodie back on. I didn't realize when I got out the car. I was like, wait, I'm not wearing sleeves.
Oh yeah, seriously.
Breaking the rules, breaking the rules, I'm breaking. Not the one.
See that fast like slide or so it's such a rare feeling.
Yeah, the car like four-wheel slides basically.
Yeah, that's like what you wish you could do on the road, but you definitely mustn't.
Yeah, you go so fast.
Yeah.
Yeah. So little grip, forward grip, it's crazy.
It's so rad how the speed just disappears.
Yeah, once you throw it sideways.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yo,
Hi.
you want to do some tandems?
Yes.
But like from starting over there,
Sure.
you can't start here.
Yeah, that's
like
fine.
Stupid speed.
Yeah.
But the car's feeling better, but
I'll drive very conservatively.
of anybody here, you're the only person that can like adjust
Yeah.
driving.
I'd love to. Do you want me to lead first?
I'll leave.
That was bad, sorry. Didn't really know how he was going to enter. Normally he does like quite a big flicky thing.
Okay. But it just shows like all the experience. Like I had no idea how you guys are gonna get into each other there.
Oh yeah, I was completely off his line. Like that was terrible. Just so offline there, it wasn't worth it.
destroy the bumper instead of like destroying the engine.
I was just like, oh god, is he gonna hit the wall? Is he gonna hit the wall?
No, exactly. I was like, I was like doing this amount of steering. Like,
Fuck.
don't hit the wall, don't hit the wall.
The bumper,
okay.
No. I told you to take the bumper off.
Dude, I've got no front grip. There's no grip.
Take your aero off.
That doesn't affect the grip.
Yeah, but it means it doesn't brake when you go off track.
It's fine. The car needs to refresh anyway.
It just had a refresh.
No, the aero got rebuilt. The whole car needs a refresh.
Fuck, dude.
Let's go. I'm just gonna pick up my scraps later.
Oh yeah, that thing's toast.
I mean, it's looked like that many, many, many times. My GoPro footage today is just going to be like Sumimasen. Wow.
Very good save. Yeah, very
I
good
didn't do
save.
shit, I just fucked up. Okay, I'll try again.
That's fine.
Okay. Sorry. Tires are very loose.
Yeah. Oh, dude. Good one.
I don't know what's up with that. That was so weird.
There's a moment where I thought you were doing that on purpose.
No,
Going
not at
backwards.
all.
And I was like, oh, actually, this is dangerous. Maybe
I'm not
not.
doing that on purpose. I don't know what's happening. I had like no grip on entry, and then
Cool though.
I thought the tires were done, but they're not. I'll probably do a bit more of a pussy handbrake kind of vibe.